Welcome to downloading the Amazon Seller Central app, a quick guide to managing your Amazon business on the go. This free app lets you track sales, manage inventory, and stay on top of your business right from your phone or tablet. With the app, you can track sales and inventory, handle orders and customer messages, and access important analytics from anywhere. To download on iOS devices like iPhone or iPad, open the App Store, search for Amazon Seller Central, and tap Get to Download. For Android devices, open the Google Play Store, search for Amazon Seller Central, and tap Install. The app is free and requires an existing Amazon Seller Central account. Once installed, you'll have access to your dashboard and sales data on the go. To download the Amazon Seller Central app on iOS, start by opening the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Once the App Store is open, tap the search icon at the bottom and type Amazon Seller Central in the search bar. From the search results, locate the Amazon Seller Central app and tap the Get button to begin the download and installation process. You may be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID to confirm the download. Enter your credentials if required. The Amazon Seller Central app, developed by Amazon Web Services, Inc., is approximately 150 megabytes in size. Make sure your device has enough storage space and you're connected to a stable internet connection for a smooth download. For Android devices, go to the Google Play Store and search for Amazon Seller Central. Tap Install to download and install the app. You'll be asked to grant necessary permissions. Developed by Amazon Mobile LLC, the app is approximately 200 megabytes. Make sure your device has Google Play services updated for seamless integration. Once installed, open the Amazon Seller Central app. You'll need to sign in using your existing Amazon Seller Central account credentials, either individual or professional. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. The app will then sync your account data, providing you with real-time access to your sales, inventory, and other key metrics. The Amazon Seller Central app mirrors the web-based Seller Central platform, providing mobile access to essential seller tools. Access a real-time sales dashboard to track key metrics like advertising cost of sale and overall performance. Use inventory management tools to add products, monitor stock levels, and handle fulfillment by Amazon shipments. Handle order fulfillment, including processing orders, managing returns, and responding to customer inquiries. View analytics reports with conversion rates, category rankings, and exportable data. Receive push notifications for important updates like low stock alerts, new orders, and promotional opportunities. The user interface was refreshed in July 2025 for better usability, including dark mode and faster load times. If you encounter issues during download or setup, first ensure you have a stable internet connection. Poor connectivity can prevent the app from downloading properly. Next, verify that your device has enough storage space. The Amazon Seller Central app requires about 150 to 200 megabytes of free space. Insufficient storage can cause download failures. Check that your device meets the compatibility requirements. The app requires iOS 14 or later for Apple devices and Android 8 or later for Google devices. Using an outdated operating system can lead to installation issues. If the issues continue, try restarting your device to clear temporary glitches. Alternatively, uninstall and reinstall the Amazon Seller Central app to resolve any corrupted files. To get the most out of your Amazon Seller Central app, it's crucial to keep it updated to the latest version. This ensures optimal performance and gives you access to the newest features, like enhanced AI tools and security improvements. Regularly check the App Store on iOS or Google Play Store on Android for available updates. The app developers release improvements frequently, so staying current prevents issues and unlocks better functionality. To maximize the app's capabilities for your business, explore Amazon's official resources and participate in seller webinars. These provide insights into advanced features like analytics, inventory management, and sales optimization.